Hi, it's Mark and Grace Sias with Noble Notary and Legal Document Preparers.
Authors of A Golden Pen and creators of
Notary Prosperity Academy, the six-figure notary course. Today we're going to talk about how and more importantly why to get a notary in Tennessee, the volunteer state.
So the great state of Tennessee, Mark and I and our family is very familiar with this state because we have family that lives there. We've been to Nashville and Clarksville, so we're very aware of the beauty of Tennessee. There are nearly 7 million people in this state, which makes it a very good idea to get your notary commission there. The capital is Nashville, which is, of course, Music City. And then Memphis is the most populated. It's the largest city in Tennessee. Now, of course, everybody knows that Graceland is there as well. Good old Elvis.
So in Tennessee, you get your commission at the county level, at the county clerk. It is good for 4 years. Even though you're technically a state official, the state of Tennessee just operates as kind of the registry that keeps a record of all the notaries. Interestingly enough, in Tennessee, you can, as a notary, you can perform weddings. You can be a wedding officiant, which is a great revenue stream, a great side hustle. And Tennessee is also a remote online notary state, which opens up a whole nother level of opportunity for you that we talk about in other videos and even in our course how to take advantage of.
Now, if you search for notary in Tennessee, you'll probably see the top spot come up as NNA. Do not go here. And we're saying this because you're probably just going to spend a bunch of money.
They're notorious for one, bad customer service, two, overcharging on insurance and bonding products that you can get way cheaper anywhere else. So do yourself a favor and use them as little as possible. So there's that. Now, Tennessee, you also have to keep a notary journal. I'll put some links in the descriptions for journals that you can get. You can get them for like $7 on Amazon. And I'll put links directly to the resources you need to get the training through Tennessee so that you can kind of navigate around the NNA, who would probably charge you $30 or $40 for one of those journals I just mentioned. Now, having said that, if you want to maximize your notary commission, get the most out of it that you possibly can, that's where we come in. We teach marketing that is specific to the notary industry and specific to legal services like that to allow you to just blow your competition away. You want to tell them a little bit more about that?
Yeah, so Notary Prosperity Academy is a course that we offer. It's going to take you from start to infinity, really. I mean, you can grow as large as you want with this notary commission, this simple little stamp. And on top of that, we teach you additional revenue streams for just solid income that will supplement that notary commission.
Like the wedding officiant, for example. And we also give you lifetime access to the course. Other courses, you take it and then they kind of give you the boot. Hope you took a lot of notes because you're not getting back in. You have unlimited lifetime access to our course, which we also continually add new information to.
We do, so it's like a living course. Now, additionally, you will join a Facebook group with all of the rest of the course members where you can interact with other course members, ask questions, you can interact with us personally. It's really, really neat and very beneficial to your new career.
So with that, I highly advise anybody who wants a side stream of income or a full-time income, get your notary commission in Tennessee. It's a great place, a booming opportunity.
And we love you, family in Tennessee.